YouTube and TikTok automation are some of the best ways to make passive income in 2024. The reason for that is this is the only business that you can start with less than $100, and you can do it from anywhere in the world. Especially with the rapid development of new AI tools, you don't need to show your face. There are a lot of faceless niches that are going viral. The crazy thing is that creating videos for these niches is very easy with the power of AI. There are a lot of video generating AI tools available. Now I found another new AI tool that you can use to create videos for any faceless niche. So in this video, I'm going to try this tool and see how we can use this to generate content for YouTube and TikTok. And also I'm going to reveal 3 trending niches that you can try with this tool as well. The AI tool I'm going to reveal and review today is called VidWiz. It's an AI tool that you can use to create unique videos for any niche. With this AI tool, you can fully automate the content creation process. Once you create a video series, this tool will automatically upload the videos to your TikTok or YouTube channel.
The first niche I'm going to try today is self-improvement story. Niche, this is an example channel. For this niche, this channel only posts short-form content. As you can see here, this channel was created 6 months ago, and they have been able to get 720,000 subscribers with only 98 videos within 6 months. And that's why this niche is going to be one of the best niches for both YouTube and TikTok. Once you sign up, you will come to this page. As you can see here, there are pre-made prompts for several niches such as horror stories, scientific facts, and more niches for this niche. You can either select this daily motivation template or you can use your own prompt. I have created this specific prompt for that. I'm going to use it. Click the save and continue option. Now our video has been completed. As you can see here, the video has a duration of 1 minute, which is great. You can use this for both TikTok and YouTube. We have our title description and the whole script here. Now if you scroll down, you will be able to see this timeline of the video here. You can change the AI artworks if you don't like the current ones, and also you can edit the background music and sound effects from here. Now let's see the final output.
Imagine standing at the edge of a cliff, the vast potential of your possibilities stretching before you. Mark, a seemingly ordinary guy, faced this moment of truth. His dreams were clouded by self-doubt, yet a whisper called to him, "Believe." One day, he stumbled upon an old, dusty book in his attic, its pages filled with tales of extraordinary achievers. Inspired, Mark decided to write his own story. He realized that the greatest adversary was never the world but his own disbelief. Therefore, he practiced daily affirmations, embraced setbacks, and turned them into stepping stones. But life threw him a curveball, an unexpected job loss. Instead of crumbling, he carved a new path, launching a business he had long dreamed of. And so, Mark's journey illuminated one truth. When you believe in yourself, you transform challenges into opportunities and dreams into reality.
This looks perfect for TikTok. Now let's move on to the next best niche for TikTok. I'm going to call this Niche Urban Horror. Niche, this TikTok page is one of the best examples in this niche. They have managed to get 127,500 followers with 1.6 million likes within a very short period of time. And as you can see, here all these videos are AI generated. Basically, this niche is about true and made-up horror stories. Most of the time, these stories are just fiction. But sometimes we can create stories about urban myths and horror stories as well. You can use VidWiz AI to generate videos for this niche as well. All you need is one good prompt. You can use this ghost story template to create stories for this niche. However, I have created this specific prompt for that, so I'm going to copy it here, and let's click this. Advanced setting option. You can connect your TikTok account here, just like we did before. And for this video, I'm going to be using a female voice. So let's select this on. Since this video is for both YouTube and TikTok, let's select the 1 minute duration and let's generate the video.
Imagine uncovering a secret that stayed hidden for decades. That's exactly what happened when Sarah inherited her late grandmother's estate. The centerpiece? An eerie portrait of a woman she'd never seen. And yet, every night, Sarah noticed something peculiar. A soft whisper echoing through the house, and it seemed to be coming from the painting. Intrigued, yet terrified, she decided to investigate. As she stared deeper into the woman's eyes, a chilling revelation struck her. The eyes blinked. The whispers grew louder, forming words, pleading for help. The next day, Sarah unearthed a dusty diary tucked in the attic, revealing the tragic fate of a girl trapped within the portrait by a jealous lover. Determined to break the curse, She chanted the ancient incantation found within those pages. Suddenly, the house shook, and in a flash of light, the painting was empty. So what would you do if an artwork started whispering secrets to you?
Now let's move on to the final niche. The third best niche for TikTok is dark motivation. The best example channel for that is this one. It has more than 688,000 followers, and all of their videos are about dark motivation. I'm going to use the VidWiz AI tool to create videos for this niche. I have created this specific prompt to generate videos for this niche. You can just copy me. I'm not going to show the whole process because you already know how to operate this AI, but make sure to use a deep voice for this niche. And yeah, let's see this example.
What if I told you that the darkest part of your soul holds the key to unimaginable power? In the heart of shadows, a young wanderer named Alistair discovered a forgotten realm, a place where ambition thrives uninhibited. Misunderstood by society, he forged alliances with enigmatic figures, a cunning sorceress named Vesper with eyes like midnight, and Draven, a warrior with a heart of steel. They whispered secrets of strength untamed by conscience. Therefore, no longer shackled by morality, Alistair embraced his inner villain, envisioning a world molded by his own hands. But herein lies the challenge. To wield such power, one must tread cautiously, for ambition feeds on more than just desire. It demands sacrifice. Yet, in a world where heroes falter, it's the cunning who rise to unparalleled heights. So the question remains, what are you willing to give up to claim the crown and reign as a king in the world of shadows?
This looks perfect. If you want to have a video with a different style than anime, you can change the part in the prompt and write in whatever style you would prefer. All right, guys, we have come to an end of today's video. See you in the next one.